Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to type or insert the dollar symbol on your WPS Office site. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert or type dollar symbol on your laptop or PC? It's actually easy. PC easy. Okay. So like that, you just can use keyboard shortcut as Shift plus 4. So for an example, I just typing as Shift plus 4. It automatically brings me a dollar symbol. This is one of the method. I just and the second method is inserting the symbol. Just go to the insert option here, then you click on the symbol option here. So automatically you can see on the first page the dollar symbol are here. So you can just click insert how many times that you want. Actually WPS Office, in WPS Office the symbol is automatically on the top of the first page, and you can see on the top here, and you can easily insert and close the tab. So I think you understand how to insert the dollar symbol. It's show short video, and if it really helped you, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content like this about WPS Office site, you just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.